In this video, I want to give you a close-up look at the leaves on the loofah, but look at that. It has taken over the top of the 17-foot trunk. Let's take some closer look at it.
Hi, I'm Bowtie Dave.
So a user from Pensacola commented about the loofah and his loofah, said he had 6 and 5 of them are surviving, and I wanted to show a little closer on these loofah how the leaves are looking. You know, over here these are newer leaves that for the most part are looking good, but there are highly eaten areas. The closer I get to the stem, there's more and more damage and eaten leaves, and there is some rust and some failing leaves back in here. Actually have powdery mildew back on those leaves that are in the shade. So yeah, this thing is failing, and we want it to fail because that's when the loofah themselves are going to start turning brown and becoming the sponges that we're looking for. So yeah, this is normal. Even with all the leaf damage, there are so many loofah up in here, I cannot even count them. I don't know how many more are sitting on top of the trunk like you saw at the beginning of this video. You can see they're hiding underneath all over the place, and I know there's over 100 here. Thanks for following. Y'all have a blessed day.